things are getting a little worn out in here, which is definitely annoying when I'm at the mall. Finally rebuilt my sway bar end links. They've been clicking for probably about a year. I run full anti-rocks front and rear, and the Heims just don't last up here in Canada. They get pretty worn pretty fast. So I made an order with Rock Jock. I got a whole new set of Heims coming in. Let's get her on. So we have the 8.5s for the front, and we have the 10.5s for the rear. I'm not 100% sure why they're now gold. Could have been the way I ordered them. I'm pretty sure that's going to add me some horsepowers. Not sticker, just instructions. Which shows you what a couple years of running these things will do. These things are just wore out. Sloppy, rusty. As you can tell, like the noise they make traveling down the road. These, on the other hand, super tight, super stiff.